Cybersecurity has become one of the most in-demand career fields, offering professionals the opportunity to work in an exciting and constantly evolving industry. As cyber threats continue to increase in both frequency and sophistication, organizations are searching for skilled cybersecurity professionals to protect their networks, data, and systems from cyber attacks. A career in cybersecurity is not only financially rewarding, but also provides job stability, continuous learning opportunities, and the ability to work in diverse industries, including finance, healthcare, government, and technology. Whether you are just starting your career or transitioning from another field, understanding the necessary skills, career paths, and certifications will help you build a successful future in cybersecurity. The demand for cybersecurity professionals is growing rapidly, with millions of job vacancies worldwide due to a shortage of skilled workers. Cybersecurity roles offer competitive salaries, career growth, and opportunities to work in various environments, such as corporate security teams, government agencies, consulting firms, and freelance security research. As businesses expand their digital presence, the need for cybersecurity experts to defend against hackers, prevent data breaches, and implement strong security measures continues to rise. This career is ideal for individuals who enjoy problem-solving, critical thinking, and working with cutting-edge technologies. It is a field that requires constant learning and adaptation, making it perfect for those who thrive in fast-paced, technology-driven environments. Building a strong career in cybersecurity requires developing both technical and soft skills. Some of the most important technical skills include networking, system administration, ethical hacking, programming, and cloud security. A deep understanding of network protocols, firewalls, virtual private networks, VPNs, and operating systems is crucial for identifying and mitigating security vulnerabilities. Programming skills in languages like Python, Bash, and PowerShell help automate security processes and analyze cyber threats. Knowledge of penetration testing, forensics, malware analysis, and intrusion detection systems, IDS/IPS, is also valuable for professionals working in offensive or defensive security roles. Additionally, soft skills such as communication, problem-solving, and analytical thinking are essential, as cybersecurity professionals must often explain complex security issues to non-technical stakeholders and make quick decisions during security incidents. There are multiple career paths in cybersecurity, allowing professionals to specialize based on their interests and skills. Security analysts focus on monitoring networks, analyzing security logs, and detecting potential threats. Penetration testers, ethical hackers, conduct controlled hacking attempts to identify vulnerabilities and help organizations strengthen their defenses. Incident responders handle real-time cyber threats, investigate security breaches, and develop mitigation strategies. Security engineers design and implement security solutions such as firewalls, intrusion detection systems, and endpoint protection tools. Forensic investigators analyze cybercrimes, collect digital evidence, and work with law enforcement agencies. Cyber threat intelligence analysts study hacker tactics, track emerging threats, and provide actionable intelligence to prevent attacks. Those interested in leadership roles can work towards becoming a Chief Information Security Officer, CISO, responsible for managing an organization's overall security strategy. Earning cybersecurity certifications is one of the most effective ways to validate knowledge and stand out in the job market. Entry-level professionals can start with CompTIA Security Plus, which covers the fundamentals of network security, threats, and risk management. For those interested in ethical hacking, the Certified Ethical Hacker (CEH) certification provides hands-on training in penetration testing techniques. The GIAC Certified Incident Handler (GCIH) is ideal for those focusing on incident response and threat mitigation. Advanced professionals may pursue Certified Information Systems Security Professional (CISSP), which is widely recognized for leadership and management roles in cybersecurity. The Offensive Security Certified Professional (OSCP) is a highly technical certification for penetration testers, requiring candidates to demonstrate real-world hacking skills in a hands-on exam. Certifications such as Certified Cloud Security Professional (CCSP) and GIAC Penetration Tester (GPEN) provide specialization in cloud security and advanced penetration testing techniques, respectively. While certifications and formal education are valuable, hands-on experience is critical for becoming a skilled cybersecurity professional. Setting up a home lab environment with tools like Kali Linux, Metasploit, Wireshark, and Snort allows individuals to practice penetration testing, malware analysis, and network forensics. Participating in Capture the Flag CTF competitions on platforms like Hack the Box, TryHackMe, and Over the Wire helps develop problem-solving skills and real-world attack techniques. Open-source security projects, internships, and cybersecurity apprenticeships provide practical experience that employers value. Additionally, working in help desk or IT support roles before transitioning to cybersecurity can be an excellent way to gain foundational technical skills. Cybersecurity professionals must stay up to date with the latest threats, vulnerabilities, and security technologies. Cybercriminals are constantly developing new attack methods, so continuous learning is essential. Engaging with the cybersecurity community through conferences, webinars, and online forums such as Black Hat, DFCon, and the SANS Institute provides valuable networking opportunities and exposure to cutting-edge research. Following cybersecurity blogs, podcasts, and news sources like Krebs on Security, Dark Rating, and the Cyberwire keeps professionals informed about emerging cyber threats and industry trends. Building a cybersecurity career requires a structured approach and long-term commitment. A typical career roadmap starts with learning the fundamentals of networking, system administration, and security basics. Earning entry-level certifications and gaining hands-on experience through labs and cybersecurity challenges builds a strong foundation. Choosing a specialization, such as penetration testing, cloud security, digital forensics, or incident response, helps professionals focus on specific career goals. Advancing in the field requires continuous learning, obtaining professional certifications, and gaining real-world experience in security operations. Finally, building a strong professional network through industry associations, LinkedIn groups, and security meetups can open doors to job opportunities and career advancement. Cybersecurity offers a rewarding and impactful career where professionals play a crucial role in defending against cyber threats and protecting sensitive data. With an increasing number of cyber attacks targeting businesses, governments, and individuals, cybersecurity professionals are in high demand across all industries. Whether you are interested in ethical hacking, digital forensics, cloud security, or risk management, there is a career path that aligns with your interests. Developing technical skills, earning certifications, gaining practical experience, and continuously learning will ensure long-term success in the cybersecurity field. In conclusion, a career in cybersecurity is an excellent choice for those looking for job stability, high salaries, and a meaningful role in protecting digital assets. The field is diverse, with opportunities to work in various industries, specialize in different areas of security, and continuously challenge yourself with evolving technologies. If you are passionate about problem-solving, technology, and security, then cybersecurity is the perfect career for you. With the right education, training, and experience, you can build a successful long-term career in this exciting and essential industry. In the next section, we will explore real-world cybersecurity success stories, highlighting how professionals have advanced in their careers and the key strategies they used to achieve their goals. Stay tuned.